BeautyFIX, a skincare-focused beauty subscription box, has released the full spoilers for the September 2025 box. And you know I have spoilers for you guys. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The box is $24.95 per month and has a value of at least $100 in each of the box. So you're going to get in this month's box a Holly Frog Sunnyside Sea Glow Serum, full size $68. Co-Gen Dew Cleansing Spa Water Cloths, full size $24. Peace Out 2% Salicylic Acid Early Stage Acne Dot, full size $20. Marvis Whitening Mint Toothpaste Deluxe 10mm $2 value. The Roche-Posay Anthos UV Clear Daily Invisible Sunscreen SPF 50 Deluxe 5mm has a $5 value, and Vichy M89 Moisture Recovery Night Cream Deluxe 3mm has a $3 value. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.